In this session, we will be talking about an overview of the Net-Centric Publisher, or NCP, version 1.3. NCP is a tool that provides users with a simplified workflow for publishing metadata. It removes the complexity for the user by providing a clear set of workflows and a single interface point for publishing metadata to the metadata environment. The NCP does not support the submission of controlled unclassified information, or CUI, at this time. Artifacts for new services and new resource submissions requiring CUI designations other than Distribution Statement A should be published on the NIPRNet instance of the Metadata Registry, or MDR, via the Submission Wizard. The new features included in NCP version 1.3 are governance over user-defined taxonomies and fingerprints, enhanced oversight and management of publications, digital signature for provider and service publications, and enterprise service management, or ESM, integration. This is the Data Services Environment, or DSE, homepage. The Community tab is highlighted. To log in to DSE, click on the Login link on the left-hand side. For single sign-on, or SSO login, enter your DKO username and your DKO password. Check the box indicating your consent to the terms and conditions outlined on the right-hand side. Click the Login button to log in. You may also use your Common Access Card, or CAC, to log in to the DSE. You are now logged in, and the DSE dashboard is displayed, listing your access status for all the DSE applications. Click on the Net-Centric Publisher tab to access NCP. The Net-Centric Publisher dashboard page is displayed. Click on the Home link on the left side to view the NCP homepage. The Net-Centric Publisher homepage is displayed. The menu bar for navigating the NCP is located along the left side of each page. The Logout link allows you to exit the NCP. Upon logout from the NCP, the DSE homepage is displayed. Note that when you log out, the system clears the user session information, including your DKO ID. Therefore, next time you try to log in, you will need to enter your DKO credentials again. The dashboard link displays information about all your publications. From here, you can access any of the items you want to work on. The NCP dashboard page is displayed. Your dashboard contains the list of all submissions that you are working on or have submitted for publication or require some action from you, for example, if you are an authorized service publisher. From this page, you can edit submissions, view the progress of your submissions, view any errors that might have occurred with your submissions, archive your submissions, and get help from an NCP support representative. The DDMS link allows you to access the DDMS page, from which you can manage all your DoD Discovery Metadata Specification, or DDMS, entries. The DDMS page is displayed. From this page, you can create a new DDMS entry, upload an existing DDMS file, view the progress of your DDMS submissions, view any errors that might have occurred with your DDMS submissions, archive your DDMS submissions, and get help from an NCP support representative. The Providers link allows you to access the Providers page, from which you can manage all your service providers. The Providers page is displayed. From this page you can create a new provider. If you are an approver, you can reassign ownership of a published service provider in NCP to a different user other than the actual creator or owner of the provider. You can view the progress of your service provider submissions, view any errors that might have occurred with your provider submission, archive your provider submissions, and get help from an NCP support representative. The Services link allows you to access the Services page, from which you can manage all your services. The Services page is displayed. From this page you can create a new service. If you are a Published Decision Authority, or PDA, for a service, you can reassign ownership of published services that are using that service provider, if needed, to a different user other than the actual creator or owner of the services. You can view the progress of your service submissions, view any errors that might have occurred with your service submissions, archive your service submissions, and get help from an NCP support representative. Many pages within NCP have a help icon in the form of a question mark in the upper right corner. Clicking on the help icon displays a help window with information pertinent to the current page and the associated functionality. This is the context-sensitive help window for the Services page. To close the help window and return to the current page, click on the X in the upper right corner of the help window. The Resources link allows you to access the Resources page, from which you can manage all your metadata resources. The Resources page is displayed. Click on the Create a New Resource link to create a new resource for submission into the Metadata Registry, or MDR. You can view the progress of your resource submissions, view any errors that might have occurred with your resource submissions, archive your resource submissions, and get help from an NCP support representative. The Taxonomies link allows you to access the Taxonomies page, from which you can manage all your taxonomies. The Taxonomies page is displayed. From this page you can create a new taxonomy. If you are a Published Decision Authority, or PDA, for a service provider, you can reassign ownership of taxonomies that are using that service provider, if needed, to a different user other than the actual creator or owner of the taxonomies. You can view the progress of your taxonomy submissions, view any errors that might have occurred with your taxonomy submissions, archive your taxonomy submissions, and get help from an NCP support representative. The Fingerprints link allows you to access the Fingerprints page, from which you can manage all your fingerprints. The Fingerprints page is displayed. From this page you can create a new fingerprint, view the progress of your fingerprint submissions, view any errors that might have occurred with your fingerprint submissions, archive your fingerprint submissions, and get help from an NCP support representative. The Help link allows you to learn more about the NCP application and find out about additional resources. The Help page is displayed. Here you can download the NCP User Guide, the NCP Concept of Operations, or CONOPS, the Admin Guide, and other useful resources. The Feedback and Support link allows you to submit feedback and get support for the NCP. The Feedback and Support form is displayed. Enter the subject, comments, and check the box if you would like to be contacted by an NCP support representative. Please use the feedback and support link on the DSE for your questions, comments, and enhancement requests. You may also contact the Net-Centric Publisher support team at the email address listed here. Thank you.